Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make zero-fat Greek yogurt easy method. Start with skim milk and a yogurt starter, heat to 180 F, cool to 110 F, incubate 6 to 8 hours until tangy, then strain through cheesecloth for 2 to 4 hours until thick. Use a fine weave cloth and gentle pressing to speed draining. Chill before serving. Store in airtight container up to 7 days. Enjoy plain or with fruit and honey. Use a thermometer to nail temperatures and choose a live culture for tangy results. If you prefer creamier texture, whirl a small amount after incubating or strain less to retain more moisture. Avoid metal during incubation to protect cultures. Timing affects tang. Shorter incubation yields milder yogurt, longer yields tangier. For zero fat, always use skim milk and avoid cream additions. Sweeten after straining to prevent thinning. Serve if your yogurt is too thin, strain longer or use a tighter cloth to remove more whey. If it is grainy, lower incubating temp by a few degrees and try a different starter culture. For thicker set, add 1 to 2 tablespoon non-fat milk powder before heating. To flavor, fold in vanilla, mashed fruit, or spices after straining. Keep utensils clean to avoid contamination. Freeze in ice cube trays for smoothies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.